Welcome to our channel where we review the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we will be comparing two popular espresso machines, the Dinamica Plus and the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine. We will be evaluating these products on various factors to help you decide which one is perfect for you. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you're concerned about the price, then Mueller Premium Espresso Machine is a great option due to its affordability at $399. On the other hand, the Dinamica Plus will cost you a bit more at $1,682, but it does come with a range of features that justify the price point. When it comes to versatility, both products offer great features. The Mueller Premium Espresso Machine offers dual brewing, which means you can grind and brew coffee beans all in one machine, while the Dinamica Plus provides 16 one-touch or customized coffee drinks, including latte and cappuccino. Additionally, the Dinamica Coffee Link app allows users to create and save personalized espresso recipes suited to their unique taste. When it comes to grinding, both espresso machines offer conical burr grinders. However, the Dinamica Plus provides more grinding settings with 13 options, while Mueller Premium Espresso Machine provides 30 options from fine to coarse grinds. Additionally, both machines provide uniform ground coffee in single or double batches. Both products provide easy and intuitive controls. The Dinamica Plus provides a full-touch, colorful display for easier and simpler operation, while the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine offers a knob selector to cycle through your options, making it easier to extract fresh ground coffee beans. Additionally, the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine also has a built-in steam valve to froth milk for the perfect latte. The Mueller Premium Espresso Machine is made in China, while the Dinamica Plus offers a high-quality build from a well-known brand. That brings us to the end of our review on these two popular espresso machines. We hope this video helps you choose the right product for you. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews in the future.